Hello and welcome back to Time with Lydia the pharmacist. If you've ever experienced that painful burning between your thigh, yes, we are talking about chafing. Don't worry because you're not alone. Today I'm going to share 10 super simple home remedies for soothing, treating and preventing thigh chafing naturally. So don't go anywhere. Let's dive in together. So what is chafing? Chafing is a skin condition that occurs when you have repeated skin-to-skin contact or when your skin continually rubs against your clothing or another material. Common causes of chafing includes extremely warm weather, ill-fitting clothing, intense exercise, and excess skin. Chafing can be very painful and is easily treatable, would go away after a few days. Now, thigh chafing would occur when your inner thighs rub against each other or against the clothing that you are wearing. And this would happen when the rubbing occurs continually for some time. Symptoms would include a hot feeling in between your thighs, a rash, a burning sensation, a raised bump, itching, and excess irritation. Severe symptoms would include bleeding, development of blisters, muscle pain, and cracked or broken skin. Now let's jump into the natural home remedies for treating, preventing, and soothing chafing. The first and most simplest home remedy is to avoid whatever is causing the chafing. For example, if it is your clothing that is rubbing continually against your thigh, it is best to change and wear something that is more comfortable. By simply eliminating what is causing the problem, you should be able to get rid of chafing quickly. The second home remedy for treating chafing is also very simple. Allow some fresh air to pass over the affected area, and this would help soothe the pain and the burning sensation. Number 3 is the use of aloe vera. Aloe vera provides a soothing and healing effect on the skin. Aloe vera may also help reduce irritation and inflammation caused by chafing. If you have the plant at home, you can break off a leaf and squeeze out the gel and then apply it to the affected area. Or you can buy aloe vera gel from your drugstore or from your supermarket, and that works perfectly well. Now, number 4 is petroleum jelly, or what we all know as Vaseline. Petroleum jelly creates a protective barrier in between the thighs and locks in moisture. It is perfect for use during the night or just before a workout or a walk. Another very effective natural home remedy for treating chafing between the thighs is cornstarch. Cornstarch has the ability to absorb excess moisture from the skin and prevent itching. It also has the ability to create a silky feeling on the skin, hence prevent further irritation and friction. Just apply a small amount on the affected area and leave it on to do its work. Number 6 is coconut oil. Research has shown that coconut oil can reduce inflammation and it can speed up wound healing. It's got antibacterial properties as well. All you need to do is dab a small amount of coconut oil to the affected area, and this provides a soothing and healing effect. Number 7 is shea butter. Shea butter can nourish and soften the skin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can promote skin healing. Get yourself some natural shea butter and apply it to the affected area to speed up the healing of chafed skin. Now let's move on to the 8th home remedy for treating chafing, and that is oatmeal bath. In this case, all you need to do is add a cup of oatmeal to your bath and then soak in the bath for about 15 to 20 minutes. Oats has got anti-inflammatory properties and is super calming for irritated skin. And number 9 is the use of a cold compress. A cold compress comes in handy if the chafing is painful and swollen. Apply a cold compress to the affected area several times in the day, 10 to 15 minutes at a time. It works perfectly well by reducing the pain and swelling instantly. And finally, number 10, wear the right clothing and make sure your clothes fit perfectly well. Try wearing loose, breathable fabrics, and as much as possible, avoid ill-fitting clothing. Now, watch out for these signs that would require that you visit your doctor for further investigation and treatment. That is, if chafing is not improving with home remedies after a few days to a week. If your skin starts showing signs of a bacterial infection, that is, if the affected area becomes warm to touch, you see yellow pus and it develops a foul smell. Also, when the affected area becomes very painful and itchy, you become feverish, and when you develop blisters that burst and the skin comes off. All these would require that you speak to a healthcare professional. Now, there you go. 10 simple, effective home remedies that would make you feel comfortable again. If you found this video helpful, please don't go without giving it a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our educative content. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.